Guys, today we'll be talking about electric current and Ohm's law. So electric current is electricity, and this refers to the flow of charged particles from one location to another, and this is due to a difference in electric potential or voltage. So voltage difference is what drives current to move from one location to another. And current is based on how the positively charged particle would move. But in reality, the particles that are moving are the electrons, the negatively charged particles. So just keep in mind that while electrons are the ones that's causing current, current's direction is purely based on how the positive ions would move. So how this works is you actually have these electrons moving in this direction, but current's going to move in the opposite because current's based on the positive